anchorman on Channel 4 is smiling from behind the door that isn't really there, you see. It's just a shape on his TV. His suit is made of pinstripe gray. He's reading what they wrote today. He says the sky is normal blue. He doesn't know he has no clue. Oh, the velvet anchorman, soft and low. He's selling you the status quo. But the signal's weak, the tube is hot. He's giving you what he has got. But it isn't real, it's just a show. Turn it off and watch the flowers grow. His hair is perfect, coiffed and neat. His voice is margarine and sweet. He's telling you to buy and sell and stay inside your tiny shell. He's sponsored by the concrete lawn that wakes you up at crack of dawn. He says the truth is black and white. He's terrified of purple light. Oh, the velvet anchorman, soft and low. He's selling you the status quo. But the signal's weak, the tube is hot. He's giving you what he has got. But it isn't real, it's just a show. Turn it off and watch the flowers grow. Static's rising, the screen is fuzz. He's forgetting who he ever was. A crack, a hiss, a velvet bliss. He's fading into the abyss. So I get my news from the buzzing bees and the whispers of the willow trees. The headlines in the morning dew are always strange and always true. I turned the box off weeks ago. I'd rather watch my shadow grow across the wall in tangerine. The strangest news I've ever seen. Oh, the velvet anchorman, soft and low. He's selling you the status quo. But the signal's weak, the tube is hot. He's giving you what he has got. But it isn't real, but suddenly you understand. The bag was never really there. You're breathing in a different air. The groceries are what you lost. You finally understood the cost. The truth was just a heavy can. You're not the gray suit businessman. He rings you up. He rings you up. He rings you up. He rings you down on the corner of maybe and when you'll never be that you again. You taste the colors in your head. You remember what the grocer said. You cannot buy what is inside. Where's the fact? On a single teardrop from a high and lonely stone, with a memory of the bedrock and a future on my own. I knew the sleeping foxes and the secrets of the fern, the patient silent lessons that the mountains have to learn. I was clear and cold and innocent. I had no need for shame, and the wind that sang above me didn't even know my name. For I am the river, and I only ever flow. I don't ask the reasons why, I only feel the no. I carry what you give to me on my long and winding plea. Give it all right back again to the great big silver sea. I grew and passed the pastures and the sleepy dreaming cows, and reflected happy children hiding in the willow boughs. I heard their summer laughter ever seen. With its heart of steel and rust, and its million and angry whispers, and its appetite for dust, I reflected electric nightmares in my coat of mercury gray, and I heard a million lonely people trying to forget to pray. I carried all their bitterness, their poison and their pride, and I felt the concrete canyons trying to kill me from inside. The music swells in intensity. The drums, played with soft mouths, enter with a slow, powerful, rolling rhythm. The cello climbs to a higher, more emotional register. But at night when you are sleeping and your world is hard and fast, the moon, she comes and tells me that this too will never last. She shows me all my sisters in the clouds and in the rain, and I know that I will fall again and I will rise again. For you are just a moment, just a fever and a dream. And I am the observer. traffic light is singing blues. I'm walking in magenta shoes. The sidewalks feel like orange moss. The bus driver is Santa Claus. He left his schedule far behind. He's driving to a sea of green. The strangest trip you've ever seen. 'Cause we found the velvet key. It doesn't open doors, you see. It just dissolves the solid wall and lets you hear the colors call. The colors call. The tempo's slower, the bass groovy. Is it real or just a dream? Does it matter what it seems? The key is soft, it doesn't shout. It just lets the inside So keep your boxes small and neat, and keep your shoes upon your feet. I'll keep my thoughts of turpentine and paint a world that's truly mine. You say I'm strange, you say I'm gone. You're just afraid to turn it on. Your lock is rusty, can't you see? You need the velvet key, like me. Yeah, we found the velvet key. It doesn't open doors, you see. It just dissolves the solid wall and lets you hear the colors call. The colors call. The velvet key. It sets you free. Turn it, can you see? Winding stairs of weathered gray salt stone, a lonely little kingdom on a jagged granite throne. I live my life in circles, a prisoner of the light, the keeper of the coastline and the shepherd of the night. The sea below is angry and it whispers and it groans, and it tells me all the story the long dead sailors born. My only friend's a lantern with a giant crystal eye. I polish it till it becomes a piece of fallen sky. I win the clockwork mechanism, heavy, slow and deep, and I wake it from its daytime and its ordinary sleep. But when it starts to turn, and it's a strange and holy thing, and I hear the secret chorus that the spinning lenses sing. Oh, I'm the keeper of the glass-eyed god, the servant on the sea. Every single revolution shows the truth to me. It's not a beam of warning, it's a prismatic kind soul. Paints a silent story on the waves and on the shore. Sweeps away the darkness and it sweeps away the lies, and it shows me all the answer in a million sailors' eyes. solitude that's talking back to me. The lonely conversation between the tower and the sea. Or maybe when you're all alone with nothing else to hear, you finally hear the silent things that have been always near. In a million sailors' eyes. Sweet turning, watching, burning. Thank Hoph as too lonely.